G'day, g'day. Oh, my Star Wars poster is gone. Oh, let's get rid of that. It was a bit warm in here. You know? It was a bit warm. But today, I've got a toy review. Look, I've got a little Yoda toy. I'm going to be reviewing this cunt. Fucking... That's good. Mandalorian, the child. So, Baby Yoda's name was actually the child. Let's open the cell up so I can review them. Bugger me. This is pretty cool. It's really little. So it comes with the fucking cunt's arm fell off, cunt. What the fuck? What the fuck is... Oh my god, this fucking arm. I found his arm. You're joking me. Oh, can I put his arm back on? Oh, go in there, mate. Oh. So there's Baby Yoda. This is really cool. His arms don't move, I think. So there's his feet. So it says some words on the bottom. There's Baby Yoda's feet. And then up with his hand. Their head, and that's how it looks like. It tastes like plastic or... It doesn't taste the worst, you know? Let's see what he came with. He came with this. So, if you haven't watched The Mandalorian, that first thing is, at the top, is the Mandalorian's, gear shift stick thing. The second is a bowl. And the third one's the frog. Yes, it comes in a little plastic package, which is pretty cool, and it opens up. I reckon that's pretty mad, like, that's fucking good packaging, eh? That's sick. A little tiny frog that can... Wow. Look at that. A little tiny frog. That's brilliant, mate. That's amazing. I like this toy. I don't know if I can take the bowl and stuff out. I don't know how to. My fingers are too big. So I can't even grab it out because my fingers are too big. But yeah, look, Baby Yoda. And this. That's pretty mad. So, it's a good toy. I bloody like it. It's fucking hectic. Have a good day, mates. And there you go.